I have actually covered the Samsung the Premiere 4K projector that came out 2 days ago, and I just covered it, and a lot of people have been interested in the new projector. They're asking what makes this Samsung projector unique. And I'm making this more or less to elaborate more on the new Premiere 4K projector from Samsung, because it's quite unique in its own way. So you say this projector from Samsung is kind of like the first of its kind, because for a long while it has already been a system in the projection world that Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus were not accessible to projectors. For some weird reason, all the manufacturers claimed that it wasn't possible to replicate that same visual bright performance that you would get from a display on a projection technology. So it has been difficult for them to do that. But Samsung, the weird thing is the fact that Samsung hasn't really been in the projection space for any stretch of the length of the manufacturer projector came into existence. Samsung has never been known for projectors, but all of a sudden they come out with their first projector that I at least know of, and it is 4K capable, and not just 4K capable, but has the support for not only just your regular HDR10, but as well as their proprietary HDR10 Plus that is pretty much an equal to Dolby Vision, as they all process dynamic metadata of every scene on a high dynamic range, or something on a high dynamic range picture. So the projector is a short throw projector. It is going to be able to give you a 130-inch image pretty much close to the wall. So this particular product came out on Wednesday. I covered it. The model number will be called, the model number it is going to be bearing is the Premiere LSP9T. So the official model number is now the LSP9T. When I reported that, I was calling it the Premiere because that was what it was being called when it came out, but now the official number is the LSP9T. The 4K projector, it is a perfect upgrade to even a display right now, because it is coming with laser technology on it as well. So it's going to give you at least 20 to 30,000 hours of lifespan, which means you're not in any hurry to replace the bulb anytime, pretty much, at least while you are using it. It is very unique, and I like it. With laser tech, there is a lot of things you can do with laser technology, because laser technology is quite different from the regular bulb technology. The laser technology does not have these dimming issues that bulb technology has. Laser technology tends to give you brighter, punchier, and more realistic picture compared to the older model projection technology. So the LSP9T come with a triple laser technology. It is capable of a brightness output of 2,800 lumens, which is quite good considering the projector will be very close to your screen. It is going to be very good for anyone that is looking for smooth HDR performance. The Samsung company promises that it will be bright enough to at least give you that textured Dolby Vision-esque HDR10 plus performance that you would expect from a display. It will also come with a UHD Filmmaker Mode. I didn't cover this in my last announcement. So it will give you perfect representation of what the director or whoever you're watching intended for you to see. It is going to be quite smooth. It is going to be very good. Like, it is going to be very, very good. I'm very impressed with Samsung, especially in the display business. I may not like their smartphones, but I respect their displays, their TV, and now their projection technology. They really know how to appeal to the masses. They actually find out what is lacking in the market and they actually go after it. They don't sit their ass down and not really innovate. They try their best to innovate and bring something out that is quite unique to their market, to their own brand. They really go out of their way to check out what is lacking. So the LSP9T is pretty easy to use. It is pretty reliable, and you can actually use it wherever you want to use it. I don't think you need a wall mount, sorry, not wall mount, a ceiling mount for this, because it is a short throw. So, but the articles I'm seeing are recommending that you can still use wall mounts if you so choose, but right now you don't need it if you don't want to use wall mounts for ceiling mounts for it. You can just place it on a desk close to your screen and you're going to be good to go. Now, they are also launching the LSP7T. It's a smaller variant of this same model, which can give you 120-inch screen size. So if you don't want to go for the 130-inch, their flagship, you can go for the LSP7T. Pretty much the same tech. There is no difference in technology. They are both going to support HDR10, the same 2800 lumens, the same 4K support, the same crisp video performance. They are all just going to support the same. It's just this different screen sizes. That's all there is to both of them, and that is what you need to know, right? At least that's the in-depth information that is available right now. The time for it to go on sale hasn't really leaked yet. I've not seen it, but I am going to keep my eye out for these new projectors from Samsung. I am certainly going to keep my eyes out for it. Once ever I hear something, I will be sure to make another content and update you guys, really, for pricing, availability, and shipment. I will take my time out to look at and cover this product because I think it's really a unique product that needs to be given the attention that it deserves. And that is all you need to know right now. Be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.